Welcome to English Vocabulary Official. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and beautiful stories.
Listen carefully.
My beautiful wife name is Isabella, but I cannot remember when or how I met Isabella. It was a long time ago and my memory is not good. I remember it was a warm summer day and I was walking aimlessly through the busy city streets. As I turned a corner, I bumped into a young woman, causing her to drop her books. I quickly apologized and helped her pick them up. That's when our eyes met for the first time. I couldn't help but be captivated by her beauty. She had long, flowing brown hair and bright green eyes that seemed to sparkle in the sunlight. Her smile was warm and welcoming, and I felt an instant connection with her. We struck up a conversation as we walked together towards a nearby coffee shop. We talked for hours about everything under the sun, our passions, dreams, and even our favorite books. As the day turned into night, we realized that we had lost track of time. Reluctantly, we said our goodbyes but promised to meet again soon. From then on, we started meeting each other regularly at that same coffee shop. We became inseparable, and our friendship soon blossomed into something more. It wasn't until a few months later that I found out Isabella's full name. She had just moved to the city a year prior and was studying literature at the university. Our love continued to grow as we explored the city together, trying new foods, visiting famous landmarks, and creating memories that would last a lifetime. Looking back now, I realize that bumping into Isabella on that summer day was no coincidence. It was fate bringing us together and guiding us towards each other's arms. And here we are now, happily married with 2 children, still living in that same old city near New York, where it all began. Isabella will always be my first encounter with true love and the most beautiful person I have ever met. Isabella and I have been married for 10 years now. It's hard to believe how quickly time has flown by. We still remember that fateful summer day when our paths crossed and we found true love in each other. Our journey as a married couple has been filled with ups and downs, but Isabella has always been my constant support and pillar of strength. She has stood by me through thick and thin, and I am forever grateful for her unwavering love. Isabella is not only beautiful on the outside, but also on the inside. She has the kindest heart and always puts others before herself. Her selflessness never fails to amaze me, and it is one of the many reasons why I fell in love with her. She is also incredibly intelligent and passionate about literature. I love listening to her talk about different books and authors, even though I may not fully understand it all. But seeing her eyes light up when she talks about something she loves makes my heart swell with happiness. Together, we have built a beautiful life filled with laughter, love, and adventure. We have traveled to different countries, tried new cuisines, and made unforgettable memories together. But above all else, our greatest adventure is raising our 2 children, Emily and Daniel. They are the perfect blend of both of us, kind-hearted like Isabella, but also curious adventurers like me. As a mother, Isabella is patient, nurturing, and always puts our children's needs first. She teaches them valuable lessons about life, while also encouraging their creativity and imagination. Seeing Isabella as a mother only strengthens my love for her even more. She is the glue that holds our family together and makes every day brighter with her presence. I cannot imagine my life without Isabella by my side. She will always be my first encounter with true love and the most beautiful person I have ever met. I am grateful every day for the chance encounter that brought us together, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with Isabella. As we celebrate our 10th wedding anniversary, I can't help but think back to the beginning of our journey. After that summer day, when we first met at the coffee shop, Isabella and I became inseparable. We spent every moment we could together, exploring the city, trying new foods, and getting to know each other on a deeper level. I remember our first date like it was yesterday. Isabella suggested we go to an Italian restaurant downtown that she had heard great things about. I was nervous and excited all at once, but as soon as she walked in with her radiant smile and infectious laughter, my nerves disappeared. That night, over a plate of delicious pasta and a bottle of red wine, we talked for hours about our dreams, fears, and everything in between. It felt like I had known her forever, and by the end of the evening I knew without a doubt that she was the one for me. As our relationship grew stronger, I knew that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with Isabella. So, on a beautiful autumn day 3 years after we first met, surrounded by family and friends at Central Park, I got down on one knee and asked her to marry me. I will never forget the look on her face, pure joy mixed with happy tears, as she said yes. From that moment on, every day has been an adventure filled with love and happiness. Isabella and I got married in a small ceremony at our favorite park near New York City. It was an intimate affair with only our closest family members present. The sun was shining bright as we exchanged vows under a gorgeous floral archway. The day was made even more special when Isabella surprised me with a song she had written just for me. Her voice filled my heart with so much love and emotion that it brought tears to my eyes. As we said our I do's, I knew that I was the luckiest man alive. Isabella looked breathtaking in her simple white dress, and as we exchanged rings, I promised to love and cherish her for eternity. Our wedding day was a dream come true, but it was just the beginning of our journey together. Over the past 10 years, we have faced challenges and celebrated triumphs together, always supporting each other and growing stronger as a couple. Together, we have traveled to new places, started a business, and welcomed 2 beautiful children into our lives. Isabella has been my rock through it all, always by my side with her unwavering love and support. One of my favorite memories with Isabella is when we took a trip to Italy. It had always been her dream to visit the country of her ancestors, and I was thrilled to share that experience with her. We explored ancient ruins in Rome, rode gondolas in Venice, and indulged in delicious pasta dishes in Florence. And throughout it all, Isabella's eyes sparkled with joy and wonder. But more than the adventures we've had or the material things we've accumulated over the years, what truly makes our marriage special is the deep connection and understanding between us. We know each other's hopes and dreams, fears and insecurities, strengths and weaknesses. Yet we love each other unconditionally. As we celebrate our 10th anniversary today, I am reminded once again of how blessed I am to have Isabella as my wife. She is my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. With every passing year, our love deepens even more, growing stronger through any obstacles that come our way. And as I look ahead to the future with Isabella by my side, I am filled with excitement for all that is yet to come. I can't wait to see where life takes us next, and I know that as long as we are together, it will be an amazing adventure. We have already built a beautiful life together, but I have a feeling that the best is still yet to come. In the years since our wedding, we have continued to nurture our love and prioritize our relationship. We make time for date nights, even if it's just a cozy evening at home with a homemade meal and a movie. We never take each other for granted and always find ways to keep the sparks alive. Our children, Emily and Daniel have brought an indescribable joy into our lives. They are the embodiment of our love, with Isabella's sweet nature and my mischievous spirit intertwined within them. Watching them grow and flourish is a constant reminder of the incredible gift we have in each other. As they say, time flies when you're having fun, and it truly has flown for us. Our 10th anniversary feels like only yesterday, yet here we are celebrating 25 years together. We decided to mark this milestone by renewing our vows in a grand celebration surrounded by family and friends. The venue was adorned with opulent floral arrangements, shimmering lights, and elegant draperies. Soft music played as Isabella glided down the aisle once more, just as radiant as she was on our wedding day. Tears welled up in my eyes as I marveled at her beauty and the incredible journey we had embarked on together. Our vow renewal ceremony was filled with heartfelt speeches, laughter, and an abundance of love. We reaffirmed our commitment to one another, promising to continue nurturing our bond through any challenges that may come our way. The night was filled with dancing, laughter, and endless reminiscing.